Hi there, my name is David, and in this video I'm going to walk you through eFitness platform, focusing on network operators, from smaller ones having 3, 5, 10 locations to large ones having 50, 100 or 300 locations. I'm going to show you how you can streamline, automate, improve your business operations and generate more revenue with eFitness platform. So let's dive into it. eFitness software can be divided in two main parts. Member part with mobile application, member area and self-service kiosk, and the management part where you can manage all your club needs from one place. I will start with the member part, showing you the member area and mobile application. This is the place where the member journey starts. So this is the member area main template that can be easily adjusted to your brand. You can change logo, color scheme, etc. And here I am showing you our demo template. So this is how it looks like, and here are some examples of our clients. Member area, Holmes Place, very simple, clean design. Just Gym, more rich in color design. You can also use our API to have full control over how the member area looks like and implement it within your website. So it's a great option for network operators to have consistent brand experience for members. Here's an example of a client of ours that has done just that, People Fitness. So they use the eFitness API to create their own member area within their website. So I'll just show you how they also implemented the buying process. So all the things you see here, they run on eFitness API, but they are designed by them, so they have their own look and feel. So you choose the membership, go next, you see the benefits of each membership. They're also using the upsell module that I'll talk a bit more in a short while. So let me choose some additional service. Of course, everything is synced with eFitness. New customer. So as you can see, the look and feel is very custom. They've made it by themselves. And you just proceed with the payment and your membership will be created. When you have your membership created, you can log in as the regular member area, but still it's on their website. So let me come back to the eFitness template. The template, of course, it comes with 11 languages. It's quite easy to translate it into new languages. So we have 5 tabs here. I will start with the buy membership, as this is the beginning of the client journey. So if I am a new member, I either have the sales process implemented on my website or you use the template. Then I choose the club I would like to join. So I will have the list of the clubs. So it's going to be this one. I choose the start date, and then I choose the membership I would like to choose. So of course, in the eFitness management part, you have a flexible membership configurator. Basically, you can create membership that reflects your business model. So for example, you can have a network membership and also specific memberships for certain locations, because maybe some locations you would like to have a different price points, etc. Before we go further, I would like to highlight this option here, which is great for when you are scaling your business, opening new locations. It's great for pre-sales. Basically, it just says, how many memberships available at this special price. So you can create in eFitness, we call it pricing scheme module, where you create packages. When you sell out one package, it will automatically enable a new package for members to purchase. So it's very effective. When you have a few memberships left, you can send an email blast saying, hey, if you were thinking about purchasing the membership, it's better to purchase it now than to wait, because for sure we will sell out today and then the price will increase. It's very effective for pre-sales when you are opening new facility. Of course, you can also use it for selling bootcamps. So if you have limited spaces on the bootcamps, like 15, 20 members, so you can use that module also for this one. For the purpose of the presentation, I will go with the Flexi membership. Click next, and in the next step we have our add-on module. Basically, clients members can purchase additional services from you. And this is a great way for any club operator to increase the revenue from the same client base. This is a huge thing. So we notice working with different clients that if you have the compelling offer and if the pricing structure is great, a lot of your members will take you on the offer. So we always, promote the membership with the low price, but during the sales process, you upgrade the members, entice them to upgrade their membership. And of course, everything is on the recurring payment, so it works automatically. Click next. Redeem your coupon code if you have one. I'm already logged in because I'm a member, so I don't have to fill out my contact details. Normally, I have to do it, of course. I agree with my terms and conditions. Click buy and pay, and my membership is created. So my card is charged, and everything is synced with eFitness. Access control is updated. So if I'm using QR codes, the only thing I need to do is to just download the app, open the app, and just go past through the gate. Scan the code and use the facility. Very simple, very intuitive, it's very easy. So when I purchase the membership, of course, I get an email notifications like welcome email, and of course, email with password to the member area. So I'm aware of it. So from here, I purchase my membership. Let me go to the timetable and book some, favorite classes. So I have filters to narrow the list and find the classes I like. Let me just find something and just book quickly. Description of the class, description of the instructor, filters to filter the classes and look for the classes I like. It's connected with our automation center, so members, they get reminders, etc. We of course have the waiting list feature that helps you to increase the the participation rate at the classes. So more people actually are using the classes. We also you can also create in the eFitness the no-show policy to entice the members to cancel the booking if they can't make it, making sure that somebody from the waiting list actually can participate and participate and use the class. We also provide you the possibility to do the live classes. We have an integration with Google Meet, but you can also use any other streaming services to conduct online sessions. So I've booked some class. I booked a class. Right now, I would like to manage my membership. So you go to agreements, and in agreement section, members are able to manage all their membership needs. So currently on my demo account, I have 2 memberships. One is the PT membership. The other one is 6 months membership, which I can freeze it, cancel it, or manage my services. So I can add some additional service. I see that in the past I had one. So I can add them again from the member area, or if I still have active services, I can downgrade my membership directly from the member area. Since I have my payment card in the system, I don't have to add it again. So it's all very simple, very intuitive, and with a one-click buy, members can easily upgrade their membership. And this is also great for increasing the revenue, making the upselling and purchasing additional stuff very easy and intuitive. So then more people actually are doing that. Those options here, those are configurable. So if you don't allow your members to freeze it, or you have certain freezing policy, you can set it up in eFitness software. I see that I have my valid form of payment, bonus points. I collected some bonus points. I still have 130 to go to get a PT package. Below that, I can see my actual agreement and all the installments I have to pay. It's all on automated payments, so the members, they don't have to do anything here. You as a club operator and eFitness will charge them automatically on the due date. Invoices, so all the invoices, agreement history, and bonus points history, everything in one place. So very very helpful. And two last things inside the club, this coronavirus feature basically showing you how many members you have in the club. Okay, demo version, we have none yet. But you can set a limit of people that can enter the facility, and members can see how many at the given time, how many people are in the club. And new sections, it's a blog-like section where you can share with your members any updates from the club, any new offers from the clubs, or some healthy tips to really engage with your members and provide valuable content. So it's all seamlessly synced with the eFitness software. This member area allows members to manage all their membership needs from one intuitive panel, as you can see right now. For club operators, it just saves time, automate processes, and brings you more revenue. So from here, let me show you the mobile application, eFitness mobile application. So mobile application nowadays has become a crucial part in any modern business. So for network clients, we provide white label solutions. So you have the brand consistency among all the channels. So first thing, when you open the app, you will be able to search and find a club you are a part of. If you have the white label solution, you only are going to see the clubs from your network. So of course I have right now the demo app, so I see other ones, but I filter it through one of our clients that are using it, 36 minutes. So the same will see your clients when you use the white label solution. Only clubs from your network are going to be visible in the white label solution. And when they download the white label solution, that they download your app. So we upload the app into Google Play and App Store, and it's your app made by eFitness. So let me go back to the entry screen. What basically shows you the handy information about the club, the link to the website, email, so the clients can contact you, or the phone number, so they can call you directly from the app. Is very, very helpful. And of course, opening hours, stuff like that. So I'll enter the club. So enter the app. We have 5 tabs at the bottom of the mobile application. To some of those, you don't have to be logged in to check the content. To others, you have to be a member to see what's in it. So if I'm a member, I just simply sign in. If I don't have my membership, I click on Join Now. And as in the member area, you have the sales process. So we have all the sales process implemented within the mobile application. So you just check, choose the membership you would like to choose from. Then additional services. So again, it's very crucial for any club operator to upsell their members. That's really increased the revenue from the same client base. So quite easy. Just add the service you like, click continue, fill out all the contact information, agree to terms and conditions, add your payment card, and your membership is created. But for me right now, I will just go and go back and sign in. So when I purchase my membership, it works similar as you purchase the membership through the member area. So I became a member. Now let me do the same. Just go to the schedule and book some classes. So body balance. Check some info about the instructor. Have all the necessary information. 23 spots. I can also add the booking to my calendar. Clicking on the lower right icon. Okay, I booked one class, body balance. Let me do some Pilates. So very simple, very intuitive. You just open the app and you can basically book your classes. Activity tab allow me to track simple stats like number of entries, time spent in the club, classes booked. It's very handy information. notifications is where you get all your push notifications, where the members get all the push notifications. So members always have information from the club at hand. And in the profile section, I will show you a few things. Yeah, of course, members, they can manage their membership. So I will see the membership my past memberships and current memberships that I have, 6 months and PT. The same, I can manage my services directly from mobile application, upgrade, downgrade if I would like to do so. Very easy. My card is in the system, so I don't have to enter it again. So quite easy to just upgrade, downgrade. If you allow to terminate the membership, members can do it from the app. They can freeze the membership if you allow it. So it's very simple for members to manage their membership. And of course, if they missed payment or there was some issue with the automated charging because they haven't had funds on their card, they can always just go to the app and initiate the payment manually directly from the mobile application. So it's also very, very handy for the client and saves you time as an operator, and just make sure that the cash flow is taken care of. Here, okay, manage consents, so the members can manage all their consents, etc. Very important in the GDPR age. Invoices, so the members can just look up all their invoices generated by the system. So system generate the invoices, they can download the invoices. And last thing, my credit debit card. So if I would like to update my payment information, add new card, or add a card if I'm a new one and if I haven't done it during the buying process, I can very easily do it directly from the mobile application. From here, let me dive into the club section. So when I'm logged in, right away the QR code is generated. If I'm using the QR code access control, this is a dynamic QR code. So the beauty of it is the beauty of it QR code access control is that it's cost effective, doesn't require a lot of hardware, it's very scalable, so you don't have to give member cards, you don't have to ask them, for example, to scan their fingerprint to access the gym using the fingerprints. They buy the membership through the app or through the member area, your website, download the app, open the app, scan the code at the entry, and they can enter the facility. So it's seamlessly integrates with eFitness software and seamlessly integrates with eFitness access control. So you can create a 100% self-service client journey from purchasing the membership to accessing the gym using the QR codes. And of course, you have the blog section where you have the news from the club, and the team section where as member can see who is working at the club, and if you allow it, they can also send a direct message to your staff members. So very helpful, very handy. To sum up, eFitness app and the member area gives your members full control to manage their memberships, classes, add-ons, payments, and access to the facility. For the network club operator, it just saves you time and money. Automate processes, so the members, they manage all their needs by themselves. They don't have to call your staff to help them, and it also helps you to generate more revenue with the online sales and the additional service module. It really allows you to generate more revenue. So paperless, digital, simple, effective solution. From here, let me dive into the management part of eFitness software. So right now I'm logged into the management part of the eFitness system, where you can manage all your club needs, from sales, marketing, reporting, to finance, member management, etc. So it seamlessly connects with the access control and payments. And since eFitness is a cloud-based solution, you and your team have the access to it from wherever they are and whichever device you use, laptop, tablet, or your phone. Of course, you have the full control to manage access to the system. and create roles that grant access to certain parts of it. You as an admin and owner want to have access to all the modules and features, but probably you want to limit access to some modules for certain staff members, like front desk staff or maybe marketing or finance. You would like to have them access to just certain parts of the system. Yeah, actually, let me show it to you how it looks like, because I have so here I logged in as an admin, so I see all the parts of eFitness, but I will log out and show you some feature of eFitness from reception view. So right away, what you can see that on the left hand side, I have limited information, less options in menu because I limited them. So you can even go further and have just few options here for example, for the staff members, from the staff. The beauty of it is that then it's becoming very simple and intuitive for those staff members to use the software. So for you, when you're scaling, adding new locations, it's quite easy then to train your new staff members on how to use eFitness software, because everything from the headquarter, you set up the system in a way that then only give access to certain parts of it to your staff members, so then it's easy for them to understand the system and works with the system. It also speeds up the training part of the system when you're opening new location or training new staff members in current locations. When you log into the reception role, you have different dashboard here, basically giving you a lot of information at quick glance. So cash balance, card balance, number of entries. I see upcoming classes right now. I have last sold products from the bar. I can go directly from here to the bar module to sell some stuff. Yeah, I can add a club member, new lead, add a note, CRM note. I have also my to-do list here, but I can go to the CRM section to see it, all my activities in the CRM section, but handy information on the dashboard here. And I, of course, see my last entries to the club. So if somebody entered the club, I can see right away who was the last 10 people that entered the club. So if they come back to me or they would like to talk with me, I can, assist them going directly to their member profile or go to the bar module to sell them some stuff, etc. Yeah, here I will just discuss also the members section of the system, and then we'll re-log into the admin part. So in the members section, you have 3 tabs: members, inside the club, and leads. So the system divides the members from leads. So if you have more standard club, premium club or mid-market club, sometimes you're doing the regular sales campaigns when you collect leads and try to convert the leads into paying clients. So we have a built-in CRM, and in the eFitness, the leads are in separate lists, so you don't mix the two. In the member sections, of course, you have quite a few filters to narrow the list, either by club, but most of the time you just search the member, either ask them to scan their card, scan their fingerprint, scan their QR code, and their member profile pops up. You can, of course, just search them using the first last name. Yeah, when you scan their card, you have their simple member profile pops up, and you see if everything is in green, means that they paid for the membership. Everything is okay. You can also go to their full member profile, where you have everything about that member on one profile in one place. Their data, and their agreements. You see all the agreements, current and past ones. Yes, quite a few options on the agreements section. Of course, you can also limit it using the roles in the system when you set up the system. But everything about the member is within one place. Another thing I would like to show you is actually, I'll point out, is the status option here. Those colorful labels. They help you to So they're assigned by the system automatically, and they help you to group your clients, your members. To give an example, active X new means that it's a new member and they're no longer with you than 30 days. So here we have somebody is active new. So for example, when you go to inside the club, you see who's in the club, and we see that there's one active new. So the PTs, they can approach that person and maybe ask them, hey, hey Rodrigo, how are you doing? Maybe there's something we can help you with, blah blah blah. So you get the idea. Very handy information, and it helps staff members when somebody checks in. It helps the PTs to locate and talk with the members that they're new at the club, because you know that the extra interactions, they correlates with the members staying longer at the club. So from here, I think that we can go back to the admin role. So we'll log out and just re-log in. And yeah, so we are back. Yeah, so first thing, when you log in as an admin and you have access to all the options in eFitness, you are going to see the dashboard, eFitness dashboard. We've built it using the Microsoft Power BI tool to visualize the data. Here we have an example of a chain that is in 3 countries and consists of 100 clubs. A cool thing about it is that it has an interactive filters where you can really drill down the numbers and get the data quite quickly. So just to show you, like, let's do some, maybe go with Germany. Yeah, so the KPIs, they recalculated on the fly. The numbers can maybe don't add up. It's a demo version, but you get the idea how the thing work. Okay, so we see right away the 30-39. This is the main age group that using those old facilities. I would like to check for that age group. What's the club entries and how many active members we have, and what's the total income that they generated. And I can even drill it down by gender. Yes, so for example, I would like to know how much in Germany, how many entries this age group and males generated in Germany. So right away I can check it. Let me check the same for sorry, not this one. Let's do like that. Okay, so it check right now for me Germany, this age group, and just for females. So with eFitness software, you can spot quite quickly the trends and correlations between different numbers. Of course, you can go to report section to really dive into the numbers you are getting from the system. But before we go there, just a quick note: since we are using Microsoft Power BI, we have the possibility for network operators to create a custom dashboards. So if you would like to have additional reporting, additional charts and visualizations, because we understand that different businesses, they have different needs, we can quite easily provide you that. So from here, let me go to reporting, where you can really understand your data and get the data you need. So it's divided in multiple parts. The agreements, information about classes, participations, PTs, etc. Retention report, attrition report, bar transactions, finance, member reports, etc. Just to give you some 2 examples, when you go to Agreements 2.0, you would like to check, your sales. So of course you can check all the locations, or you can choose a group of locations. Or just single club. You have quite few filters that you can play with. Right away you see number of signed agreements, the value of the agreements, and number of members that purchase those agreements. When you filter the data here and you click search, you get the report, but you can also that filter save as template. And here I have already a template saved. So it just speeds up the process of filtering the data. You can have multiple filters and getting different data that you need. And the other thing is, of course, you can export the data from eFitness to Excel, but additional very helpful feature of eFitness is that it allows you to act on your data from within the software. So when you filter the data, you can send email to those members, send text message to those members, add bonus points to them, add a tag, then use that tag in different section of the system, maybe in marketing or maybe in different report. To narrow the list of people that you would like to filter out, or add a new activity. This is a CRM activity, and basically the CRM activity I'll show you in a different report. Let me go back to reports, an activity report. The same, I can run the activity report for all the facilities, or just, for example, to 2 clubs, or just a region of clubs. Yeah, this is up to you, but the system allows you to do it. I'll search it for all the clubs and, for example, filter people that haven't showed up in the club in the past 10 days. Okay, we can filter it past, I don't know, a month or so, search. Yeah, so we have 15 people here. It's a demo version, so not a lot. Here, of course, you also have the same option, additional options. You can send emails, you can text message, add bonus points, add tag those members, or create a CRM task. So if you have sales staff at the club, you can choose the date when they should follow up. Okay, non-active members call them important, and owner John Smith is our sales staff or reception staff responsible for contacting the members. And you click add, and all those activities are going to be added for Smith John on that exact date. So with a few clicks, and you just done mass action on the report. So so from the reporting, I would like to briefly go through finance. In finance section, you are going to find the information about direct debit, online payments, all the payment related information. Which transaction went through, which failed, etc. All of that run on automated pilot. So in settings, you set up automation for finance. So basically, you just check there if everything went through, and help the clients that you couldn't charge them. The finance section is also connected with our automation center. So if there is an online payment that there's transaction that we tried to charge, the system tried to charge a payment card, but it couldn't. Of course, the system then sends automated message saying, hey, we tried to charge your card. Please make sure that you have funds in your account. We'll try it in the next day. Sales section, so here where you have the bar module, you can create your categories and sell stuff from the bar module. Of course, it has built-in warehouse where you can manage all your stock. You get reporting connected to it, so it's a great way for managing additional information. So sales, warehouse, my calendar section where you have the timetable. It's the same as you see on the mobile application or as you see in the member area. It's just different design. But here the staff members, they can look up who signed up to the class and how many people you have signed to the class. You also have a separate PT timetable, so the members, so the staff members can sign up somebody for a personal training. Let me just show it to you. Okay, so assign somebody just to show you. Save, easy as that. So very quick, very simple. Of course, it's connected with the reporting, so you get the reports on that. CRM section. So we have built in a CRM module within eFitness software, and you will find it in different places of eFitness system. So in the member section or member profile, in the reporting, you can create, CRM tasks, but also in the automation center. So when you go to this CRM overview, so of course I'm logged in as David Skopiasz. I see my sales funnel, how many new leads this month I had, and how many of those I converted into paying clients. I see client source, my to-do list, and some additional stats. Of course, you can report on all your sales stuff and see the data for all of them, and with different member source and different time frame. So let me also show it to you. Okay, calendar. So if you would like to manage my meetings with my clients, I can do so here. It's Google-like calendar. You can drag and drop meetings, switch to the day view, also drag and drop and set up meetings with your clients. Activity section, it's where you have your to-do list. So you filter the data, for example, overdue ones. I will start with those first. And here, for example, we have somebody, I don't know, it's 8 days overdue. I'll close and create a new one, close that ticket and create a meeting with that person. Disallow, and I'll create a meeting for Tuesday at this time. Click Save. And that's all you need to do. So everything in one place. We will go to the automation center just to show you, for example, member reactivation, that also in the automation center where we have number of templates that you can set up, and then the system will automatically send communication to the members. Besides just email and text message or push notification, it can also automatically create a CRM tasks. Those CRM tasks then are assigned by the system to the either reception person, depends who you are going to choose one, and then they will see automatically created tasks in their to-do list. So yeah, a lot of automation, that you can leverage when you're using eFitness software. From CRM, let me go to marketing. Email dispatch, of course, you can send beautifully created, HTML emails. What I want to point out is the options that you have pre-built, like the target group, where you can use the statuses, you can use the tags, and of course you can filter it by gender, female, male, etc., which allows you to quickly, segment the data that you have. Different newsletter would like to send maybe for women and different for men with different, different messaging. In marketing, okay, text message map. Go out, go to a map. Map gives you a visual representation where your member lives. So it's sometimes very good to see, the people on the map. So maybe there's a part of the city that you don't have any members from that part of the city, and it's worth to have a billboard campaign or a leaflet campaign around that part of the city. And of course, you always have some number of filters that you can really narrow the list of people that you're looking for. And the sales promotions, here, this is like marketing toolbox for marketing department. Special agreement offers, pricing scheme that we discuss in the member area, discount program for classes and prefixes. I'll just show you the special agreement offers and the options you have here. So you name the campaign, and you can create a campaign either for all the clubs within your network, or maybe you would like to choose just few clubs from the network, and just for that part of the network to create a campaign, you have the possibility to do so. Depends if this is like online campaign or this is campaign that only staff members can assign to a member. This is a feature more for premium clubs. When they do some things like that, they talk with members and they can assign manually campaign to a member. So then you can connect it with the role in the system. Of course, you connect it with the memberships that you sell, and you choose what kind of discount you would like to provide, and either joining fee, discount applied to installment X to Y. So you have you have many options to choose from to make your campaign effective. And the beauty of it is that you can also, set up the starting date and the end date of it, so it automatically uh, enables itself and deactivates itself. And you have optional automated campaign. Those are automated by the system. So the clients, they don't have to have coupon code. They just go and purchase the membership, and the promotions are already added to the membership. And you also choose it. Is it done in the club or only in the member area on in-club kiosks? So now when you set it up, click Save. Now the marketing team only needs to focus on promoting that campaign, because you set it up that it starts today at 1:27 automatically, and the only thing you need to do just inform all the people that there is an option like that. So very useful. It's a very useful feature of eFitness software. So we discussed reporting. We discussed the automation center, where you can create automated workflows and communicate with the members. For this video, I'll finish here. There's still a lot more to cover, like corporate sales panel, different APIs that allows you to connect with third-party applications, different integrations that we have that extend the possibilities that eFitness offers. But I hope that you got a pretty good understanding how eFitness helps club operators to run their business more effectively, automate processes, digitize entire client journey, and provide unique experience for the members. If you would like to know more, just go to efitness.com and reach out to us.